Most Porsche owners spend real money chasing horsepower before touching the genuinely cheap upgrades sitting quietly in the parts catalogue, the ones that transform how a car actually feels to drive for less than a single track day costs. A shift knob that finally feels intentional. A brake line swap that turns mush into a razor-sharp bite. A single flash of software that unlocks power the engine already had hiding inside it. 17 upgrades counted down, every single one genuinely cheap and genuinely worth doing. Number 17. Door check strap bushings. The small rubber bushing inside your door check strap wears out quietly over years, and the first symptom is usually a door that sags slightly or clunks unpleasantly when it opens fully. Most owners assume this means an expensive hinge repair is coming, when the actual fix costs genuinely pennies and takes about 15 minutes with basic hand tools. Replacing this tiny bushing restores the door's proper resistance and eliminates that clunk entirely, and it is one of the cheapest genuine quality of life upgrades a Porsche owner can make. Owners who drive with the windows down every day tend to notice this wear first, since the clunk becomes considerably more obvious once outside road noise stops masking it. Parking on a slight incline can also make the sagging considerably more noticeable, since gravity pulls a worn door open with even less resistance than usual. This one rarely shows up on any upgrade list, because it feels too small to matter, and that is exactly why it counts as a genuine gold mine. Small parts fix problems people assume are expensive. Number 16. Reinforced coolant expansion. The plastic coolant expansion tank on many water-cooled Porsche models is a known weak point, prone to cracking with age and heat cycling, in a way that can leave you stranded with a sudden coolant loss. An aluminum-reinforced replacement tank costs genuinely little more than the original plastic part, yet it eliminates this specific failure point permanently rather than simply delaying it. This is precisely the kind of preventative upgrade that costs almost nothing next to the alternative, which is a roadside coolant emergency and a considerably larger repair bill. The original tank often fails with almost no visible warning beforehand, sometimes cracking quietly along a seam that only becomes obvious once coolant is already pooling underneath the car. Many owners only discover the original tank was failing after noticing a slightly sweet smell inside the cabin, a subtle sign that coolant vapor has already started making its way through the ventilation system. Swap it proactively rather than waiting for the original to actually fail on you. A soft pedal hides a fixable problem. Number 15. Braided stainless brake lines. Factory. Rubber brake lines flex slightly under hard pedal pressure, and that flex translates directly into a soft, slightly vague pedal feel that most owners simply accept as normal until they experience the alternative. Braided stainless lines resist that expansion almost entirely, delivering a noticeably firmer, more immediate pedal with genuinely better feedback for a cost that rarely exceeds a modest service visit. Most owners genuinely cannot describe what a firm pedal actually feels like until the very first drive after installation, when the difference becomes immediately obvious the moment you brake for the first stop sign. This is one of the rare upgrades that improves both performance driving confidence and everyday safety margins simultaneously, since a firmer, more predictable pedal genuinely helps in any situation requiring a sudden, confident stop. This upgrade transforms braking confidence without touching a single other component in the system, and it is a genuinely inexpensive way to make an already excellent chassis feel considerably sharper underneath you. Old rubber fails quietly until it suddenly doesn't. Number 14. Silicone hose kit factory. Rubber hoses handling coolant and vacuum lines degrade with heat cycling over years, gradually becoming brittle and considerably more prone to a sudden failure at the worst possible moment. A silicone replacement kit resists heat and age dramatically better, and while the upfront cost is modest, the real value lies in the failures it genuinely prevents down the road. Many kits also come in a range of colours, letting owners genuinely tidy up the appearance of the engine bay at the exact same time the actual reliability upgrade happens, a rare combination of both practical and visual benefit for a single purchase. This is a preventative upgrade rather than a performance one, but preventing a roadside breakdown is arguably the single best value any Porsche owner can find for the money. Existing mounts hide an easy fix inside them. Number 13. Polyurethane motor mount inserts. Factory rubber motor and transmission mounts soften over time, allowing genuinely more engine movement under load than the car was actually designed around when new. Polyurethane insert kits slot into the existing factory mount housings, tightening that movement considerably without requiring a full mount replacement or any serious labor investment. This particular upgrade also helps preserve genuine drivetrain component life over the long term, since reduced excess movement means less repeated stress on nearby mounting points and connected linkages. The result is noticeably crisper throttle response and reduced driveline shock during hard acceleration, all for a cost that stays genuinely modest compared to a complete aftermarket mount swap. This upgrade sits quietly overlooked, specifically because it modifies an existing part rather than replacing it outright. Body roll hides where few owners check. Number 12. Anti-rollbar bushing upgrade factory. Anti-rollbar bushings are intentionally soft for a comfortable daily ride, and that same softness introduces genuine flex, exactly where a Porsche chassis benefits most from staying rigid through a corner. Polyurethane replacement bushings cost genuinely little, install in an afternoon with basic tools, and noticeably reduce body roll without touching your spring rates or ride height at all. The improvement becomes especially obvious during quick direction changes, where a stiffer bushing lets the chassis respond almost instantly rather than absorbing that first critical moment of input into soft rubber flex. This remains one of the most overlooked handling upgrades specifically because it delivers a genuinely track-focused improvement while never once compromising daily comfort in any meaningful way. Lighting upgrades cost less than most owners assume. Let me say one thing and then I will not bring it up again. I have gathered these secrets and much more in a book over at theporschegeek.com. If you want it, it is in the comments and on the right side of the screen. That is all. Let us go further with the video. Number 11. LED interior and underhood lighting. Factory interior lighting on plenty of Porsche models still uses warm, dim incandescent bulbs that make the cabin feel considerably older than the car actually is. A simple LED conversion kit costs genuinely little, installs in minutes with no tools beyond your own hands in most locations, and instantly brightens the entire cabin with a crisp, modern white light. Underhood LED strips offer the exact same inexpensive transformation for anyone who regularly pops the engine cover to show the car off. Photographs taken under proper LED lighting also come out noticeably better, since warm, incandescent bulbs tend to cast an unflattering yellow tint that a simple camera phone rarely corrects for on its own. This upgrade delivers a disproportionately large visual improvement for what remains a genuinely tiny investment. Weight hides in the heaviest, lowest places first. Number 10. Lightweight lithium battery. A factory lead acid battery is one of the heaviest single components sitting low in your Porsche, and a lightweight lithium replacement can genuinely remove a noticeable amount of weight from precisely that low forward location. Beyond the actual weight savings, lithium batteries hold a charge considerably better during long storage periods and deliver stronger, more consistent cranking power even after months of sitting unused. This particular benefit matters considerably more for owners who genuinely drive their Porsche seasonally, since a lead acid battery left sitting through a long winter often struggles to deliver reliable cranking power the very first time it is actually needed again. The cost sits higher than most items on this list, yet it remains genuinely modest next to nearly any other weight reduction upgrade available for a Porsche, most of which cost dramatically more for a fraction of the actual benefit. Millimeters change how a car looks entirely. Number 9. Wheel spacers. Modest wheel spacers push your wheels slightly further outward, widening the effective track width and delivering a genuinely noticeable improvement in cornering stability for remarkably little money. Beyond the actual handling benefit, correctly sized spacers also fill out the wheel arches visually, giving many Porsche models a noticeably more aggressive stance without touching the suspension itself in any way. Owners frequently report that even a genuinely modest spacer transforms photos of the car dramatically, filling gaps that made an otherwise perfect stance look slightly hollow beforehand. A few millimeters of properly fitted spacer often accomplishes visually what owners previously assumed only a full coilover kit could genuinely deliver. Always verify correct bolt length and genuine hub-centric fitment before installing spacers of any size, since a cheap or poorly made spacer is precisely the wrong place to save additional money on this specific upgrade. Vague shifters often hide a cheap fix. Number 8. Delrin Short Shift Bushing Kit. On manual Porsche models, the factory shift linkage relies on rubber bushings that soften with age, introducing a genuinely vague, sloppy feeling exactly where a driver wants the most precise mechanical connection to the transmission. A Delrin bushing kit replaces that rubber with a considerably firmer material, tightening shift throws noticeably and restoring a genuinely mechanical direct feel to every single gear change. Owners who have driven both versions back-to-back consistently describe the factory bushings as feeling like they are shifting through a genuine sponge by comparison. The improvement becomes especially obvious during quick back-to-back gear changes on a spirited drive, where the factory rubber previously introduced a slight, frustrating delay between the physical shift motion and the actual gear engagement itself. This upgrade costs remarkably little and installs in an afternoon, yet it transforms the tactile driving experience more dramatically than upgrades costing several times as much elsewhere on this exact list. Some upgrades change how a car feels. Number 7. Weighted Shift Knob. The factory shift knob on plenty of Porsche models feels genuinely light and slightly hollow, and swapping it for a weighted aftermarket knob changes the tactile feel of every single gear change in a way that is difficult to fully appreciate until you actually experience it yourself. The added mass creates a more deliberate, satisfying motion through the gate, and the cost rarely exceeds a casual dinner out for 2 people. Some owners describe the sensation as similar to a well-made kitchen knife, finally replacing a flimsy plastic one. A small change that somehow makes an entire routine task feel considerably more intentional. Weighted knobs are also available in a wide range of materials and finishes, letting owners genuinely match the upgrade to their car's existing interior character, rather than settling for a single generic option. This upgrade sits low on most people's priority list purely because it seems cosmetic, when in reality the tactile difference is genuinely significant every single time you touch the shifter. Number 6. Alcantara Steering Wheel Re-Wrap. A factory leather steering wheel that has seen years of genuine use often feels slightly slick or worn exactly where your hands actually grip it most during spirited driving. An Alcantara re-wrap replaces that worn leather with a considerably grippier, more tactile material, transforming the single point of contact you interact with more than any other component in the entire car. This upgrade also happens to hide years of accumulated wear far better than a full leather replacement ever could, since the texture itself naturally disguises minor imperfections that would otherwise stand out on a smooth, glossy surface. Many shops also offer contrasting stitch colors as part of the same re-wrap service, letting owners add a genuinely personal touch at essentially no additional labor cost beyond the wrap itself. The cost stays genuinely modest compared to a full aftermarket wheel replacement, and the improvement in actual grip and feel during hard cornering is immediately noticeable from the very first drive afterward. Cooler air does more than most owners expect. Number 5. Cold air intake. A cold air intake replaces the factory airbox with a design that pulls in cooler, denser air from outside the engine bay, and cooler air genuinely supports slightly stronger combustion and a noticeably sharper, more aggressive intake sound under real acceleration. Installation typically takes under an hour with basic tools, and the cost remains genuinely reasonable next to nearly any other bolt on performance upgrade available for a Porsche platform. Many owners actually value the sound change more than the actual power gain itself, since the deeper, more mechanical induction noise under hard acceleration genuinely transforms how the entire car feels from the driver's seat. A properly designed intake also improves airflow consistency across the entire rev range, rather than just at peak output, meaning the actual improvement is genuinely noticeable during ordinary everyday acceleration, not only during a full throttle pull. The power gain alone is real but modest, yet paired with the improved sound and marginally quicker throttle response, this remains one of the best genuinely simple upgrades for the money. Coilovers alone rarely tell the full story. Number 4. Camber plates for coilover setups. For owners already running coilovers, aftermarket camber plates allow genuinely precise adjustment of camber and caster angles, letting you dial in an alignment specifically suited to either aggressive street driving or dedicated track days. Factory top mounts offer only minimal adjustment range, while a proper camber plate kit costs genuinely little extra on top of a coilover purchase you were already making, regardless. A properly dialed alignment also extends genuine tyre life considerably, since correctly balanced camber prevents the uneven, accelerated wear pattern that a poorly adjusted setup almost inevitably produces over time. Owners who skip this step often find themselves replacing perfectly good tyres years earlier than necessary, simply because a slightly incorrect camber angle wore the inside edge down long before the rest of the tread ever reached its actual limit. This upgrade transforms your car's actual cornering geometry potential without adding a single additional dollar to your suspension budget beyond what a coilover kit already required in the first place. Every stop matters more than most owners realize. Number 3. Track compound brake pads. Factory brake pads are tuned specifically for everyday comfort and minimal dust, which means they genuinely fade faster than most owners realize the very first time real heat builds up during a spirited canyon drive or an actual track day session. A quality track compound pad resists that fade dramatically better, delivering consistent, confident stopping power precisely when you actually need it most. Some owners discover this the hard way, pushing hard through a series of downhill corners only to feel the pedal noticeably lengthen halfway down, a genuinely alarming sensation that a proper compound simply prevents from happening in the first place. Choosing the correct compound for your actual use case matters considerably too, since an overly aggressive track pad can genuinely feel grabby and noisy during ordinary daily commuting when the rotors never reach proper operating temperature. The cost difference over a standard replacement pad is genuinely minor, yet the improvement in real-world stopping consistency under sustained hard use is significant enough that this upgrade belongs on every single serious driver's list. Rotating mass costs more than most owners think. Number 2. Underdrive crank pulley. A lightweight underdrive pulley reduces rotational mass at the crankshaft, allowing the engine to rev slightly more freely while marginally reducing the parasitic power loss that accessories normally draw from the drivetrain. The actual performance gain is genuinely modest on its own, but the cost is proportionally modest as well, making this a legitimately efficient upgrade purely in terms of dollars spent per unit of genuine improvement gained. Many owners pair this with a lightweight flywheel for a compounded effect, since both parts target the exact same rotational inertia problem from two different points along the drivetrain. The combined result is an engine that genuinely feels noticeably more eager to rev, a subtle but genuinely real change that becomes especially apparent every time you actually blip the throttle on a downshift. Always verify genuine compatibility with your exact engine generation before purchasing, since fitment does vary meaningfully across different Porsche platforms and production years. Everything here saves less than one upgrade. Number 1. The ECU Tune. A quality ECU tune adjusts the exact software your engine already runs on from the factory, unlocking power output that the hardware was always physically capable of producing, but that overly conservative factory calibration deliberately left completely unused. On turbocharged Porsche models specifically, a proper tune can genuinely unlock meaningful additional horsepower and torque for a fraction of the cost that any comparable hardware upgrade would ever require to achieve the exact same real-world gain. Even naturally aspirated engines see genuine, measurable gains from careful ignition timing and fueling adjustments, though the improvement is understandably smaller than what a turbocharged platform can typically deliver. Choose a reputable, well-reviewed tuner with genuine experience on your specific exact platform. Confirm the tune preserves proper safety margins rather than simply maximizing peak numbers on a dyno sheet, and always keep a documented record of your original factory software before flashing anything new onto the car. Dollar for dollar measured strictly against the actual performance gained, a properly executed tune remains the single most efficient upgrade available anywhere on this entire list.